The steps for using the 24-hour in-office dental waterline test kit. First, review the aseptic technique for obtaining a water sample. Using an indelible marker, number the vial caps to correspond to the sample location. Complete the test sample log. Record the vial number, clinician name, sampling location, source, date, and time. Next, perform hand hygiene and don treatment gloves. Remove the cap from the first vial. Keep the cap and vial in your hand, or place the cap open side up on a clean surface. To avoid contamination, only open one vial at a time. Fill vials to the 5 ml line and seal immediately. Do not underfill. If pooling multiple water lines into a single vial, use equal amounts of water from each source, no more than 10 lines from a single unit or operatory. Once sealed, shake well to dissolve the media. The water will turn blue. Take a photo of each vial in front of white paper and note the time. Incubate at room temperature in an upright position for 24 hours. Read the results no later than 24 hours. Check for a watercolor change and compare against the color chart. Take a picture in front of white paper in the same location as the before picture. Attach before and after results to your testing log. Any change from the initial blue watercolor indicates a microbial level above 500 CFUs per ml, requiring remediation. Flush passing vial contents down the drain. Autoclave failed tests and dispose.